Today we are in Turku!
Finland's #1 food city. Right on the archipelago with the most islands in the world and lots of nature. Are you ready for our tour through Turku in 5 minutes? Today Turku is considered a hip and lively student city with modern charm.
The river Aura is the heart and the soul of the city, and we rented a bike to take a ride along the river to the Baltic Sea.
Helmet on, and here we go. We cycle past beautiful works of art to Turku Castle. The city already existed in the Middle Ages. Turku Castle in Finnish Turun Linna is the oldest castle of Finland. It's located directly at the harbor and has 2 very nice courtyards for some Instagram shots. Turku is a sustainable city with eco-friendly transportation. For example, you can cross the river on the 30, a popular free electric ferry. We are on our way to the most important religious building in Finland.
From the castle we cycled 4 kilometers along the river to the other end of the city, and here is Turku cathedral.
It was built as early as the 13th century, but only a few parts are still original. Fancy a tasty lunch? For that reason we are on the hill Kakkola and in a very special building.
We are in a prison now, but not because we did something wrong, but to have a lunch, and traditional Finnish food is waiting for us.
Wow, so delicious! It's best to book in time because the seats here in the restaurant are very much in demand. We are back in the city. Next stop is the market hall. The market hall of Turku was built in 1896. The roof structure and the wooden parts of the stores are still from that time. We treat ourselves to a delicious dessert and continue our tour. Turku, by the way, is the sunniest region of Finland. We take advantage of that. And in the evening, we are with our tour guide Olga in the traditional restaurant OOBU. Well, cheers and bon appétit! By the way, we can highly recommend this hotel in Turku. We stayed there for 2 nights. The rooms are beautifully designed according to Madame Coco's taste. The beds are super comfortable and the breakfast is really delicious. Day 2 in Turku, and today we are driving by car to the islands in the archipelago. Why are Finns the happiest people in the world? We are at Helia's home to find that out. A new concept, local home visit. And we're allowed to pick fresh apples in her garden.
After Cengiz had collected the apples, I can start with the apple pie. And while the pie is in the oven,
We'll go to the sauna. This is so great. This way we get to know Finnish hospitality.
we are in Pagas now in the most special gallery, but what is it?
Oh yes, welcome to Art Bank, to the best and only Salvador Dalí private exhibition in the whole world, where I, Ted Dalí, am also known as the only recognized reincarnation of the master in question, Salvador. Enjoy.
Very crazy, our friend Ted, but it was a cool afternoon. At Villa Volax, we're looking for Tino for a very unusual tour through the Turku archipelago.
Alright for me.
This is a real highlight for us. Tino is a former Finnish race driver and he's doing a ripboat tour with us through the archipelago.
With 80 kilometers per hour, we passed the numerous islands through the rough, untouched nature. Thanks, Tino, for this great adventure. Hey Turku!
And if you want to visit the sauna capital of Finland with us, then watch our video Tampere in 5 minutes.